Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I have come up with the inspired look of Kim Kardashian. Now many of you know that Kim Kardashian and Mario is collaborating and they are coming up with a launch today, like 5th of April. So I thought of creating this look right here because it's a very special day for her and Mario because they met on this day 10 years back and they're launching their first collaboration. So this was a great opportunity for me to create a blue smoky eyes. So here I am with a very nude lips which Mario has created for Kim Kardashian, and I really loved this look. Like when I saw the post I was like, oh my god, I have to do this because I am obsessed with colors and I have to play with this blue color on my eyes. So here it is. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and even follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it for now. Please get into this video. So as usual, I'll be starting with my primer first, and for that I'm going with L'Oreal Base Magique, and I'm going to apply this on the T-zone area and blend it out with my fingers. And done with the priming, I really feel like my skin is feeling very hydrated. If you have seen, like, I've been drinking a lot of water and I'm doing DIYs as well, so it's really keeping my skin hydrated, feeling fresh. So now let's move on to the foundation, and for that I'm going with L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm going to apply this all over my face first. I'm just going to dot this all over my face, as you can see. As you can see from my base, I wanted a little high coverage, so I went with 1.5 pump, and even I'm dragging this on the neck area. And now for concealing and highlighting, I'm going with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. I really want the highlighting game to go strong today because Kardashians are all about highlighting and contouring. So I really want to go for a nice highlighted look. And I'm going with this on the usual areas of my face, on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, around my mouth, on the chin area, and even I'll be going with this under my contour. And now I'm going to again blend this out. And even I'm going with this underneath my eyes. So I'm done with concealing and highlighting my face, and now for cream contour, I'm again going with LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toast. So you can expect a haul coming up pretty soon. As you can see, I have just opened the seal, and yeah, now let's try this. So I'm again going with this on the usual areas like I normally contour. I'm going with this on the forehead, on the hollows of my cheeks. Even I'm going with this on the jawline, and even I'm going with this on the nose. So again, I'm going to blend it out. Now to set the highlighted areas of my face, I'm going with this L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Compact Powder. Now to bronze my face further, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette, the bronzy shade. And I'm again going with this on the areas where I have contour. As you can see, this has definitely gave me that sun-kissed bronzed look. Now I'm moving on to my blusher. And for the blusher, I'm going with this brown earthy tone color because she was not having very pinkish blush going on. So I thought of going with this right here. But she definitely had a blush on her face, so I'm going with this one right here. And I'm placing this on the apples of my cheeks. Now for the highlighter, I'll be going with Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. And now I'm going with a very light amount of highlighter. She just had a very subtle glow from within. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going with this on the cheekbones. So I'm done with my base. Now I'll move on to my brows, and for that I'm going with LA Girl Inspired Brow Kit. I'll be going with the dark and the light both. First I'm going with the wax, and I'll be setting my brows on its place. And now I'm going with the dark powder, and I'll be starting it from the arch of my brows, and I'm going to take this downwards, just following the usual brow shape of mine. And for the front part of my brows, I'm going with the lighter shade. So that's it for the brow. Now I'm moving on to my eyes, and for that again I'm going to prime my lids. And I'm going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer again. And now I'm going to blend this all over my lids. Because I don't have a blue pencil or something to create a base, I'm going directly with the eyeshadow. So I need that bit of tackiness which is this concealer giving me, so I'm straight away moving on to my eyeshadow. And just because I don't have the KKW X Mario palette, I'm going with both of these shades from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. And I'm going with one color all over my lids, and then I'll be blending this out with a brown shade. So I'm going with this first. And now I'm going to blend this out with a fluffy brush. I'll make sure that I'm smoothing this out really well. And the key for this look is to blend. So keep in mind that you're blending this really well. After blending it, I'm going again with the same color on the lid. So whatever the intensity I have lost, I can build that up. And again I'm going with this bronzer from here. And now again I'm going to blend this on the edges with the bronzer shade. So there are no harsh lines and it should look nicely blended in. Now I'm going to tightline and waterline with this kajal from Nykaa, and this is the Rock the Line kajal. Kim Kardashian, she had black liner on the waterline, and even for the tightline, I believe Mario has given her that look, so I'll be going with this liner right here. Now for the smoked out lower lash line, I'm again going with this two blue shades from the same palette. And I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line and blur it really well. And I'm even connecting this with the outer V. And again I'm going with the same highlighter and applying this on the brow bone area. And even on the arch of my brows. Now to complete the eye makeup look, I'm going with this NYX Matte Liquid Liner. She had a very thin line going on. She did not go for a very exaggerated wing or anything. So I'm going to draw a simple basic liner. I'm going with this really close to my lash line. And now I'm going with the mascara from Maybelline, and this is the Fall / Push Up Drama Mascara. So now for the lips, Kim, she had a very peachy nude lips going on, and for that I'm even going with two lipsticks. I was not having the same exact shade, but I'm going to make it using both of these shades right here. So the first one I'm going for, this is a very old lipstick of mine which has not got expired, thank God. So I'm going with this right here with a brush because I can't sharp this anymore. I'm not being able to do that. So I'm going with this with a brush, and this is the Maybelline Color Drama lipstick. I'm going to put the details of this lipstick in the description box, so check out the shade right there, and I'm going with this first. Now for the next shade, I'm going with this Maybelline Color Show lipstick, and this is in the shade Mysterious Mocha. So guys, this was the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I totally did it while filming it because it's so colorful and the base was so good. And first time on camera I have used cream contour, which was like really amazing, and my skin is looking really flawless, so I'm really loving this look. I hope I did a great job, and if you like this video, please comment down below if you want me to do more such kind of inspired look, like celebrity looks and such things. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.